Hi students, how are you all? Today we are going to learn some chemical preparations of carboxylic acid derivatives. What are they called? Carboxylic acid derivatives: acid halide, acid anhydride, ester, and then acid amide. So, for example, if you substitute the place of acid halide, acetyl chloride means we are going to learn about acetyl chloride, acetic anhydride, and then ester acetamide. So, first we are going to prepare acetyl chloride and then chemical property. So, first preparation of acetyl chloride from acetic acid. We are going to take acetic acid, react with sulfonyl chloride. Sulfonyl chloride means SOCl2. You can take PCl5 or PCl3 also. Then SOClCl. That SOCl2 you can split like this. Then you just remove this group HCl, one side product, SO2 one product, then Cl you can add. So CH3COCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Now we have prepared acetyl chloride. Okay. Another preparation we can use by treating acidic anhydride with HCl. Likewise, we can have many preparation. As per book, we have given only this preparation. Now, only one physical property of acetic acid is given. That is nothing but if you treat it with water vapor to produce hydrogen chloride gas, HCl gas will come out. Okay. Then chemical properties of acetyl chloride. So acetyl chloride on react with water. How do you write water? H2O. It can be write HOH. HCl will go out. So again it will produce acetic acid with HCl. Now we can treat with ethyl alcohol. What is the molecular formula for ethyl alcohol? CH3 CH2OH. That you can write HOC2H5. Again we remove HCl, so we will get ester CH3COOC2H5, ethyl acetate plus HCl. This is one of the preparation of ester. During the ester preparation we will use the same reaction, the presence of a catalyst acid. Then acetyl chloride react with ammonia. NH3, how will you write? HNH2. NH3 you can write HNH2. HCl remove it, so you will get acetamide. This is also we are going to use preparation of acetamide because one of the derivative acetamide plus HCl. Now primary secondary amine react with acetyl chloride. CH3COCl plus primary amine RNH2. You can write HNHR. RNH2. For removing HCl, I have written HNHR. Then you will get N-alkyl acetamide. CONH2 means acetamide. The place of NH2 we have one R. So N-alkyl acetamide with HCl. Same way with secondary amine, acetyl chloride react with secondary amine. NH3 is ammonia. One hydrogen replaced by R means primary amine. Two hydrogen replaced by 2 are secondary amine. So remove the HCl, you will get N, N di-alkyl acetamide. What's the name of the compound? N, N di-alkyl acetamide. So these are the chemical reactions of acetyl chloride. So two more reaction we have in this. One is reduction with lithium hydride. Another one Rosenman reduction. Rosenman reduction, we already know that CH3COCl reacted with hydrogen gas in the presence of catalyst palladium and barium sulfate. HCl will go out, we will get the acetaldehyde. The same reaction we have studied in preparation of acetaldehyde, Rosenman reduction. Then another reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. So with lithium aluminum hydride will give 4 hydrogen. 1 hydrogen will combine with this Cl. So HCl will go out. Then we have 3 remaining. 2 hydrogen you can add in the carbon, 1 in the oxygen. So in between double bond is present, that becoming single bond. So CH3 CH2 OH plus HCl, right? So all the chemical reactions of acetyl chloride over. Now we are going to prepare next acid derivative, that is acid anhydride. So acid anhydride, how will you prepare? From the acid, if you remove water, it becoming acid anhydride. So in the acidic anhydride, how will you prepare? You take acetic acid, 2 moles of acetic acid with phosphorus pentoxide. You have to remove 1 mole of water. So this also will connect with above CO. New bond will form between this CO and O. So what is the product? CH3CO, O, CO, CH3. This is only called acetic anhydride because from the acetic acid you have removed 1 water. That's why this is called acetic anhydride. This you can write in straight base CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3, like you can write linear structure. Then another preparation of acetic anhydride, COCl, acetyl chloride. Then acetic, so sodium salt of carboxylic acid, sodium acetate. Okay. So remove NaCl, you will get CH3CO, CH3. Acetic anhydride and sodium chloride. You will get sodium chloride. These are the 2 preparation we can have for acetic anhydride. Now we can have the chemical reactions of acetic anhydride. First, as usual, react with water. Acetic anhydride, CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. Sir, previously you have written CH3, CO, C double bond O, CH3. Both are same, okay? With water, as usual, split the water into HOH. Remove CH3COOH, one acid group. CH3COOH. So wherever you taking, you will get, you can break here or here, you will get 2 moles of acetic acid. Because listen carefully, CH3C double bond OH. So acetic acid. CH3C double bond OH, acetic acid. So you will hydrolysis the acetic anhydride means you will get acetic acid. Why, sir? Just now we have prepared acetic anhydride. If you remove the water from 2 moles of acetic acid, you will get acetic anhydride. Reverse to that reaction only we are seeing here. Okay. Next, alcohol, acetic anhydride. React with alcohol. What alcohol we have to take? Ethyl alcohol, C2H5. So ester formation will take place. How? As usual, you remove one acid group. How? You remove this group, CH3COOH. Acid group will go. Remaining will form one of the ester, CH3CO, C2H5 plus CH3COOH. So we will get one ester and one acid as a product. Okay. Next we are going to treat this acetic anhydride with amine, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3 with amine. Amine means NH3. Ammonia means NH3. You can write NH2. So you just remove one part as acid, remaining you will get acetamide. Okay. So here CH3COH, you will get 1 minute, you add this oxygen also. CH3COOH, acetic acid will go. Remaining, if you add, you will get acetamide as well as acetic acid. CH3COOH. CH3COOH, CH3CONH2. Acetamide, CH3CONH2 plus acetic acid. Then it is react with phosphorus pentachloride. That means a PCl5. C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3 with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. Wherever you taking the phosphorus pentachloride, nearby this oxygen, you split this phosphorus pentoxide into PCl3, ClCl. So you just make it like this. So one acetyl chloride, another acetyl chloride, POCl3. So 2 moles of acetyl chloride with phosphorus oxychloride, right? 2 moles of acetyl chloride we can prepare. So this preparation also we can use for preparation of acetyl chloride. Okay. Next we are going to prepare ester, third acid derivative. Ester means how it like RCOOR. This is a general molecular formula for ester. This O you can write double bond. Okay. So how will you prepare ester? Already we know that if you take one alcohol with acid, it will give ester. Yes, you take acetic acid with ethyl alcohol, C2H5, in the presence of a mineral acid. Remove water. You add the remaining CH3COO, C2H5 plus water. Now you got this ester. Ethyl acetate is the ester. Okay. So otherwise alcohol is of acid chloride. That means what? Acid chloride, like acetyl chloride. If you take with the same any alcohol, C2H5. Here also HCl will go. Then if you add, you will get same ester, COO, C2H5 plus HCl. So these two preparation you didn't have in your book. Okay, they didn't give in the book. But these two already we have discussed in this same lesson, and also this equation is given as a theory. You have to write in your book. Okay. Then some physical properties of esters also given. What is that? Some fruits having the ester, because we know that ester having fruity smell. Okay. See the banana having amyl acetate, then ethyl butyrate present in pineapple, then apricot amyl butyrate, like several esters are present in the fruits. Now chemical properties of ester, how the ester is reacting with alcohol. So here we are going to take propanol, okay, C3H7, right? So propanol react with ester, C double bond O, C2H5. Here we have taken ethyl acetate as a ester with propanol. You take one more alcohol. So how will you write the alcohol? HO C3H7. Actually you can write CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Shortly we can write HO C3H7. What will happen? Same, whenever you are adding that ester with the alcohol, just a substitution will take place. The place of COC2H5 will form ethyl alcohol. This group you can substitute. Now the product is CH3 C double bond O C3H7 plus ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. So you can prepare lower ester to higher ester. That means already ester you can prepare another ester with a high number of carbon. Actually, it is an reversible reaction. So, reversible reaction means product will form as well as the product will form reactant. So, then how will you get the product, sir? Product will again form reactant, you know. So, whenever forming that ester, you have to remove it continuously. We can get the forward reaction. Okay. Then next reaction with the ammonia. Ester with ammonia, N-3, how will you write? HCN-2. So, ethyl alcohol, then acetamide, CH3CO, N-2 acetamide plus ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. Okay, so these are the chemical reactions of ester. Next one is very important, Claisen condensation. Already we may know that Claisen schemic condensation reaction, that is between one aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic aldehyde or ketone. Here we are going to take condensation between two ester. So Claisen condensation reaction very important. So we will take 2 moles of ethyl acetate, CH3, C double bond O, OC2H5, reacted with another 1 mole of same CH3, C double bond O, OC2H5. Now what will happen? See, we will remove the half part. How? Listen carefully. From these 3 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, like you split up. As usual, remove alcohol. See, here also alcohol, here also alcohol, alcohol. So all 3 reaction we have removed ethyl alcohol. So here also you remove ethyl alcohol. Remaining you add up CH3, C double bond O, CH2, this group, CH2, C double bond O, CO, C2H5. This is called Claisen condensation reaction. Very important. They will ask how will you prepare ethyl acetoacetate. This is ethyl group. This is aceto group. This is acetate group. So ethyl acetoacetate is the name of this product. Very important reaction. Mark it in your book itself. Then the last reaction, acetic anhydride. Sorry, ester react with PCl5. Ester CH3, C double bond O, C2H5 react with phosphorus pentachloride. So PCl3, Cl, you make it cap now. POCl3, HCl will, sorry, C2H5Cl will go. So acetyl chloride, phosphorus oxychloride, and then ethyl chloride. 3 product will get in this reaction. Okay. Now the last derivative of acid, that is amide. So amide preparation. Actually here also you have to remember. See, in the acid, the place of OH group. Acid means you will write COOH. The place of OH group, if you have NH2 group, amine group, you can say that is amide. So how will you prepare the amide? First, we are going to take acetyl chloride with ammonia. The same reaction 2 page before itself we have seen. CH3, C double bond O, Cl, acetyl chloride with ammonia. How will you write ammonia? HNH2. Remove HCl, add it. So you will get the product acetamide with HCl. Okay. The next reaction, acetic anhydride with amine. CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. Acetic anhydride with same amine group. You remove acid group. So what will happen? Acetamide along with acetic acid. You will get these 2 products. Okay. Both reaction we have prepared acetamide. Okay. The last preparation, this is unique preparation from ethyl cyanide, okay, or methane nitrile, methyl nitride or ethyl cyanide we can write. So CH3, C triple bond N, simply you can say Cn means cyanide. In the presence of concentrated HCl, concentrated HCl, we are going to take water, hydrolysis reaction. So in this hydrolysis reaction we are going to take 2 moles of water. 4 hydrogen is there, so 2 hydrogen we can add in the nitrogen, then you can take 1 mole, that is enough I hope. 2 H2O. Water, how will you write? Hydrogen here, oxygen here. So add the oxygen in the carbon, add the hydrogen in the nitrogen, triple bond becoming single bond. So you will get acetamide. NH2CO, triple bond becoming single bond. So acetamide we have prepared. So the chemical properties of acetamide, how the acetamide is reacting with the other compound, like first HCl, CH3, C double bond O, NH2, acetamide with hydrochloric acid. Okay, what will be the product? First it will form condensation product. Condensation product means ammonium chloride. You add NH3, it will carry plus charge and Cl minus. So acetamide will form acid ammonium chloride. Some addition compound like acetamide hydrochloride will form. Next, react with sodium. CH3, C double bond O, NH2. React with sodium atom. So here we have to take 2 moles of acetamide and sodium. So the place of 2 hydrogen you can add, 1 hydrogen you can add the nitrogen. So sodium acetamide will get. Listen, here we have 2 hydrogen, you know, one of the hydrogen you can remove with Na. So you will get CH3, C double bond O, NH, Na. Then hydrogen gas will come out. Now what is the name of this compound? The remaining is acetamide, sodium with acetamide, sodium acetamide. Then hydrolysis, reaction with water, CH3, C double bond O, NH2 plus water. What will happen? Acetic acid will form. This will go as ammonia, NH3 gas. So acetic acid will produce then ammonia gas. So hydrolysis of acetamide will give ammonia gas and acetic acid. Next, reaction with NaOH like base, CH3, C double bond O, NH2 plus sodium hydroxide, alkali. Here also same type of a product. What is that? You remove this as ammonia gas. Remaining you add up CH3COONA, sodium acetate and ammonia gas. Okay. The last reaction, first we have prepared that acetamide from the third preparation of acetamide, from methyl cyanide to acetamide. The reverse reaction, acetamide on dehydration, CH3, C double bond O, NH2 on dehydrating agent, catalyst phosphorus pentoxide. This is called dehydrating agent because it will remove the water, right? So oxygen and hydrogen, water will go. So this double bond also you put it here. So it will form cyanide, CH3C triple bond N and water, right? This reverse reaction only we have studied in the preparation. Opposite to that reaction, one of the chemical reaction, dehydration reaction. Hoffman's degradation. What do you mean Hoffman degradation? Acetamide react with halogen in the presence of a base. For example, this also important reaction. Hoffman's degradation. CH3, C double bond O NH2. It is reacted with bromine in the presence of sodium hydroxide. Simple reaction, it will give some oxygen like compound. So here we have to take one more catalyst. Actually, I have taken the sodium hydroxide in the book. Another base, potassium hydroxide. So you have to take removal of this CO group. How you can remove this CO group? You have to take 2 moles of KOH. I am rewriting here 2 moles of KOH. Now 2 potassium, 2 oxygen we have, along with this O you add up. K2CO3 potassium carbonate will go. Okay. Remaining we have CH3NH2 methylamine CH3NH2 plus K2CO3 2K 2 oxygen is here 1 CO. So K2CO3 potassium carbonate 2 hydrogen we have H2 gas. Now we got the products potassium carbonate and then methylamine, and also we are getting hydrogen gas actually which is also acting as an oxidizing agent. So the hydrogen will form water. Okay. At last on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, acetamide with lithium aluminum hydride, CH3 C double bond O NH2 with lithium aluminum hydride 4 hydrogen. Now what will happen? We will remove these 2 oxygen as a water. From the 4 hydrogen you take 2 water. Remaining 2 add in the carbon CH3 CH2 NH2 ethylamine and water. Okay. So all the chemical and preparations and chemical reaction we have finished. Now only the uses of all the acid derivatives. Okay. See here formic acid and acetic acid already we know that. Okay. So all important uses alone I will tell now. The acetic acid which is used in rubber latex, that is also important. Then benzoic acid which uses already we have studied, here also given antiseptic. Then sodium benzoate used as a food preservative. Okay. Then ethyl acetate, artificial fruit essence. Okay. We are drinking fruity or some other fruit liquids, that is